Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I was trying to achieve, and then you're going to see what I actually achieved in terms of my nails. Going for this Aurora glass look. So this is like a powder you like rub on. So I'm gonna apply it before I apply the color, because what I want is the effect of it to show through, but really I don't like this shade, and I couldn't find, I was looking like mermaid powder, you know, like I like that effect, but I want the color to be different, so I'm gonna put the colors on top. So I'm gonna put on top coat, then this, then more top coat, and then we will go in with color. Okay, so I recorded that before. I don't know, I thought I would save time. I don't know. But so what you want to do is go in with top coat. I already applied some gel on my nails, like prepped them, put gel on them. Probably should have put less gel. This is what I'm learning, is like the nails need to be like thin and like kind of flat. So like I like to make my nails with like an apex, and maybe you don't really do an apex because you're gonna build the nail up after this anyway. So coming in with glass pink and blueberry from the GelBottle, and just kind of like honestly working them like really thinly, kind of mushing them together, because I had this like vision of like it being kind of like ombre-ish with the foil on top. I don't know, I just see all these like cool videos online and thought I could recreate it. Definitely could not. So these are the foils. I bought them on Amazon. They will be linked down below. So I was trying to pick one that was kind of like similar, right? But then when I opened the box, I was like quite surprised. They like look different. I don't know why. Maybe to you they don't, but to me they did not look the same when I opened them. So this one had like more of a blue tint with purple and pink, which I kind of liked. And I put it on my thumb, and actually like the thumb turned out pretty good. I don't know, I just ended up getting like so much gel like all over my skin, all over my fingers. Like I filed my fingers so much, like I was bleeding. So this look, you've got to be very careful, you know, if you're applying so much gel. Like look, my poor cuticle, like it just does not look very nice in my opinion. So I'm just going to show you the pinky now, and I picked out this like darker blue to try, just to see the difference. And like I think like this could work if I do it differently next time. So I have ideas. I think I'm gonna like if I apply gel, I'll just kind of like flatten it out, so make like a platform for that to stick to. Trying really hard not to get the gel like all over the cuticle and all over the sides, like a mess. I don't even know why I'm posting this video, because I don't even like it that much, but if you like it, like give it a thumbs up, please. Something. I'm trying here. If you've seen other people do this on nails, like send me the video. I need to learn. So look, I was filing my pointer finger and the gel came off, and yep, it came off. So that's why you'll see my pointer finger has nothing on it. It just has the color and the chrome powder from before. So I was just kind of filing them, thinning them out, getting I got gel everywhere, so I was just trying to get it off my skin. That took a long time, but I didn't want to show you because it's really boring. So now I'm just gonna top coat them. You can see, ooh, it does look really nice when you go from, top coat to not. What you ordered versus what you got. Honestly, I have other good content out there, so just go watch that. You can like the video if you want. If you did enjoy it, like it. But I'll share with you a couple other videos that you can tune into. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a good one.